So to talk about how the Kowabunga Studios add-in works, currently there's a Excel sheet that you determine the category, pick where the fixture is located. So this is the actual family type within Revit. So you're going to link to the actual web address or where it is on your network. Then you're going to pick the family type. So this is just a 2x4 troffer. This could be a 2x2, a suspended linear, whatever that is that corresponds to the family type. And then you can change these for each and every room. So if you want something different from admin to administration to the computer lab, you can do that. And that's what it's reading for each and every room. Again, here's the list of rooms that's pulled in from Revit. Host is ceiling for all the instances here. Some, like a gym, there's none, so it's not hosted to anything. And then there's an offset value here from the wall, so that's in both X and Y to basically kick it out so it's not just on the wall. So there's this value, which you can adjust as well, and then your spacing. So something like an admin office, 6 feet by 6 feet on centers, or something like a cafeteria or a computer lab, you might want a bigger spacing, 12 by 8, or in a corridor, 12 feet on centers each direction if you have a pretty wide corridor. So that's how the lights are laid out and the parameters that you're put in. And then for receptacles, again, so family, name, the type, family type for that receptacle, again, list of rooms, it's wall hosted, and then you're going to list the number you want per wall. And then the only one that's unique is the corridor here. So you're not going to have any numbers per wall, but you're going to have a linear feet distance. So you want 25 feet on center within the corridors. So that's the values that are input here is basically how many you want per wall, and then the unique one with corridors and having those 25 feet on center. Switches, there's really nothing to change here. It's basically just an offset from the door, 6 inches from the frame at 36 inches in height for each space that you want. So currently it's going to be input through Excel, but when we actually release our version of Kowabunga Studios as an add-in to Revit, that'll be up on the App Store. All of this will be integrated to Revit, so you won't need to go through Excel, but just to give you an idea of the parameters and the values that you'll be able to put in. Really, it's going to be the spacing X and Y for lights, number of receptacles per wall, and then really just do you want to switch or not. And again, all these room names will populate into Revit, but currently we're running it through Excel. So that's the overview of the parameters and how Kowabunga Studios works, and then you basically just load this Excel file into the add-in, which on the demo, when you see me hit go, that's what it's reading to make all those parameter values populate. Thanks for watching.